Will this crash to $50 an ounce? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver update. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody, and happy coffee, everyone. It's Friday. We finally made it to Friday. Silver's on the decline. What is going to happen? Is it going to hit $50 an ounce? Will this beautiful silver that we all love crash to $50 an ounce? Well, we're going to talk about that this morning. What am I going to do if silver hits $50 an ounce? Am I going to panic? And am I going to panic sell my silver? Am I going to buy more silver? Let's talk about that. Let's discuss it. Let's comment. Let everybody put it in there. What are you doing with this massive crash and correction on silver prices in the last 2 months, everybody? What are you doing with your silver and your gold? But before we get started, everybody, on our updates, I want to say, first of all, thank you to all of you for watching my videos, for watching our updates, guys. I'm not an overdone production. I'm not an overdone analyst on gold and silver. I just research it and talk about it, bring it to you, everybody, and have just as much fun with our silver and our gold as you do, everyone. So thank you, everyone, watching, all my viewers all over the United States. July's a tough month, everybody, for views. But if you'll watch these through, we'll have the algorithm push this video to new viewers to bring into our family, everybody. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the family. Welcome to a family of silver and gold stackers all over the United States, all over the world, where there are a ton of them on this channel, a ton of you on this channel that have 20, 10, 30 years plus stacking, can give some great advice. Although we're not financial advisors, I'm releasing you on that. You can give some fantastic advice on long-term holding silver and gold. So let's get started. I am ADHD this morning. Allergies are a little bit weird. Had some stupid comments on my video on Wednesday where the guy said, it takes 10 minutes into the video before we even start the video. Well, see ya. Yeah, if you don't like it, go away. Hey, look, man, it's just like if I'm sitting here talking from my living room to yours, and yeah, do I chatter a lot? I do. But you know what? If you don't like it, you don't have to watch us. You know, that's all there is to it. It's not like I'm making a jillion bucks doing this, right? So that's my rant for this morning on a stupid comment. So we love all of you guys that support the channel and watch the channel every day. Thank you so very much. A shout out to all of you. Shout out to Jeannie and Deb and all my viewers in California, all over the United States, Texas, Florida, New York City, Arkansas, guys. Gold, guys, is under $4,000. Under $4,000. We're at $3,995, guys. This is 100% temporary, all of this. So it's really, really crazy how gold and silver have just plummeted so far in the last several months. So man, from a shocker of $120, $121 an ounce on silver, and now we're down to $55.39 an ounce, everybody. You're like, what am I going to do? Sell my stuff? No, it's a long-term hold, everybody. It's a long-term hold. That's all there is to it. God, that is good coffee, everybody. And it's Friday, and when I'm done with posting this video, I'm going to look at my silver. You know why? because I appreciate what God put on this earth to give to us, our viewers, for protection, for inflation protection, a hedge against the dollar. We know what this does in 10 years, guys. And we know if you keep stacking even a little bit at a time, in 10 years, if you stack 2 ounces a month, think about that. Think about that. That's a nice stack in 10 years, guys. And this is a long-term hold at silver with $55.41 an ounce. Now, think about this just a second. Think about this. If you paid $50 an ounce for silver, if you pay $50 an ounce for silver today, and you bought, let's say, 20 ounces, and then you bought silver at $80 an ounce, 20 ounces, and you added that 55 and that 80 up, right? You added those two together, divide them by 2. That's what your silver average is gonna be. I don't know if you saw it, everybody, but in the background, Bubba walked by me with a toy, dragging it on our buffet. So, everybody, this is Bubba, my orange tabby. He's really cool. He's a lot of fun, and he likes to eat lots. So, Bubba, say hi, viewers. Hi. Anyway, let's put him down. Let's get back to it. So, if you average those two up, if you add those two numbers up, $50 an ounce, $80 an ounce, divided by 2, that's your average, right? So if you hold $80 silver, if you hold $50 silver for 10 years, if the $50 silver goes to $150 in 10 years, and it will for sure, we all know that silver will be probably well over $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 an ounce. There goes Bubba. You're way ahead of the game. So that's why stackers say, hey, everyone, this is a long-term hold on silver and gold. That's what it's all about. It's very simple. I'm not a difficult person, hopefully, to understand on that. I don't go through all these massive charts, although we go look at some charts once in a while, but I don't go through stuff that's hard, difficult to understand, because I'm not a professional advisor, and I want to make things simple, not technical on this channel. So platinum, guys, is $1,587, and palladium is $1,239. I'm having a hard time with the platinum thing, everybody. Help me out with this. I'm in the automotive sector, automotive business, in wholesale Ford parts. Been doing it for 40 years. Everybody made a good living for me. And so I see that platinum, I know platinum and palladium and stuff, and that they're all put in catalytic converters. Well, most of our catalytic converters come from China, right? Most of that stuff. So, number 2, the converters, they will end up finding, like a lot of other things, they'll probably find a way to use platinum in something else, or in catalytic converters, they might go away from platinum as they did on other stuff. So, so I'm having a hard time with that. I might buy some platinum. Guys, I'm going to show you some of my 2-week pickups on Super Copper Silver Sunday. Everyone, the thumbnail will be different. It's gold and silver pickups on Sunday, this Sunday. I haven't got any of my copper in yet, everyone. From Balmain Mint, everyone. Go check out Balmain Mint. Amazing, amazing bars, everybody. They don't sponsor me yet. Let's hope they do, because I'd love to sponsor Balmain Mint. But you got to go check them out. They have some beautiful bars. They're limited allocations, everyone. Limited. So they have a July allocation. They're done with that. Then they'll have August, September, October, November. But they're limited. So it's kind of like an old Harley Davidson, right? So on copper. So really, really cool. Rhodium, 7,875, guys. And where are we at on Hong Kong? Gold, 3,982. They're below 4,000. 55.21 on silver. And Mumbai is 59.81 on gold. Really close to Hong Kong. So 55.21 on silver. London, you're $1.95 away from $4,000 gold, and you're 55.66 on silver. Speaking of China, everybody, July 24th, the paper's gone. The paper manipulation in China is gone. What is going to happen to gold? Big time. They are really pushing their citizens to buy gold and silver. We know they're all buying it. We know that there's mass manipulation there. But the thing is, there's too much of a massive shortage. I've read all about it. I've researched it. Too much of a massive silver shortage, everybody. You can only hold this stuff back for so long. Too much of a massive shortage, a massive demand on silver right now that's going to cause silver to continue to climb. So when we're in these dips, everybody, when we're in these big dips, hi, buddy, happy coffee, in these big dips, it's time to buy. I mean, I've been fortunate. The good Lord, everybody, has provided me with the funds to dump into silver and gold here in the last couple of weeks. And so thank you, Heavenly Father, for that. And I will continue to do it up or down. If it goes to $40 an ounce, I will buy twice as much as I do at $50 an ounce. So what am I going to do? What am I going to do at $50 an ounce? If we crash to 50, I'm buying a whole lot more. So what are you going to do? Are you going to buy a whole lot more if the funds are available? Don't put yourself in a pinch just to buy silver at $50 an ounce if it hits 50 an ounce. But if you can, hey, get some. Just remember, we're not financial advisors. You make your own decisions. Don't put yourself in a bind, everybody, whatever you don't. We're just taking it from the bank and we're putting it in a different investment, because a bank savings account is not an investment. A dollar is not an investment. The dollar will crash, guys. It's going to happen. It's a matter of time before the dollar crashes. Let's move to our gold to silver ratio, everybody. Gold is outperforming right now silver. So understandably so, because silver's so volatile, everyone. We're at 72 to 1 right now. 72 ounces of silver to get 1 ounce of gold. So really, what's a great ratio to trade silver for gold? 40 to 1 would be fantastic. 45 to 1 would be fantastic. I traded for some gold just because I wanted some gold, because I needed some room. I've run out of room for silver. Everybody, actually, I'm not, but I traded some stuff that was bulky. Let's just put that way. And we got some cool pickups for that. We'll show you that on Super Copper Silver Sunday, guys. It's copper right now. In all of this, copper is still holding above $6 a pound at $6.10, guys. That is scrap. As some of the other creators would say, 30 cents an ounce. Okay. Now, you're not buying copper minted bars and rounds for 30 cents an ounce. Go look at Balmain Mint, guys. They have some of the best prices that I've seen on kilo bars in a long, long time, and probably the most beautiful bars. We love our Swampy's bullion bars. We love our Germania bars, our Geiger bars, all that good stuff. Our big 5 ouncers, big monster ones, guys. So check out Balmain Mint. Their allocation for July is done, but you can get in right now. Get your orders in at Balmain Mint. They don't sponsor me. I just think they're beautiful, guys. So I've got 3 of those coming. It's going to take a little bit to get them here, but I'm really excited to show them to you on a Sunday pickup video. So we're at $6.10 on copper, nickel at $7.57, everybody, and aluminum at $1.43. Zinc is $1.61, everyone. Coffee. If it wasn't for coffee, guys, I don't think I could do this. I really don't. He's dragging something around. Cats, little kittens, man. They're just full of energy, everybody. Zinc at $1.61. Wow. 82 cents on lead, guys. Remember, hey, where do you find silver? That's right. Byproducts of copper, byproducts of zinc and lead, uh, all that good stuff. You get silver. And what's happening right now? It takes multi years to open a new mine, a new copper mine. It takes cajillions of dollars to open a new copper mine. What's happening? We got a copper shortage. We got a silver shortage. Are we going to drop to 50, guys? That's the big question. I want to hear your comments in the comments section, everybody. Gold backs, guys, they ended up yesterday, 24 karat gold, another one that I love. Got some new gold backs out that I need to get picked up. I'm kind of weird about how I do things. First, I'll do silver, then I'll do gold, then I'll do gold backs, and I'll just kind of rotate in copper, and I'll rotate in. So I'll concentrate, depending on where the prices are, I might concentrate on silver. And then if silver rockets up, I might concentrate and buy some more copper and some gold backs. And if gold goes down, I might concentrate on gold. So that's kind of how we diversify our stuff. Hey, if you want to learn how to diversify, go talk to a professional financial advisor. Some of them give you great advice. Some of them give you crappy advice. You never know. But hey, that's my recommendation. If you want to know how to diversify your stuff. Now, I do it the way I like it. I buy what I like. I buy bulk. I buy collectible stuff I pay too much for. Got some of that to show you on Sunday too, everybody. So 802 on gold backs, everybody. The U.S. dollar is down from, I think Wednesday, it's down to 100.79. It's showing up a little bit this morning. That will definitely cause silver to go down, hold silver, suppress silver down, everybody, along with oil prices. But here's what's funny with the oil prices, we're still at 80.57. That's still about $12 a barrel higher than what it was when silver was around $62, $63 an ounce. So, oil went down, the dollar stayed pretty steady, but oil went down, silver stayed pretty good, and then oil's rocketed up another $10, $12 a barrel. Oil's dropped. The dollar stayed fairly strong, so it's kind of held silver back and gold back. But everybody is still buying gold, everyone. If anything, these big banks, these world banks, China, India, at these prices, they're buying as much as they can. Now, when the dollar's up, it costs more for foreign countries to actually buy precious metals. So a lot of them pull and then invest in interest-bearing funds, as we've talked about before. So let's finish up the day. I got to go to work. It's Saturday. I'll see you. Well, it's Friday, but I'll see you Saturday, and we'll talk about it. Got a lot going on Saturday. Going to be a fun weekend, everybody. Gold right now, $3,994. Give me your prediction for the end of the day. This is Friday, guys. Last day of the week on gold and silver, 55.43. Let me guess. Let me think here. I'm going to say we're going to get close to 56 by the end of the day. We're going to upward trend. Are we going to go to 50? If we go to 50, what are we going to do? If it crashes again to 50, that's $5 an ounce, guys. It's already crashed $7 an ounce just this week. So from the start of this week. So could it happen? Could it happen on Monday? Could it go back up? Will it crash to 50? What are you going to do? Leave it in your comments, everybody. Thanks for watching SSC, guys. I'm buying as much as I can. I've got a massive hoard I bought in 2 weeks. We're going to show most of that to you on Sunday. So make sure you stay tuned. Watch these videos through. We really thank you. Like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, everybody. Heavenly Father, I just want to thank you for this, Father. Thank you for giving this to us, stackers, silver and gold, providing this as a long-term money. It's been money for 2,000 years. Thank you, Father. You put it in the ground. Thank you for my viewers. Let us all appreciate what we have. Let us concentrate on the 80% that we have and not the 20% that we seek, everybody. Everybody have a fantastic day. Fantastic Friday. We're going to try to use the clicker. But you know what? It's probably not going to happen, so I'll probably have to do this again. So everybody have a great Friday. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. Hope to see you folks soon at a coin show or at a gun show or something. I'm out.